Jai Hind. Today we have Dell Latitude E7440. This laptop is not coming, is not displaying. Is power on but is not displaying. If you see here, the power on switch light is on, but there is no any display coming. This is very funny problem. If you see here, the hard drive light also coming, but the display is not coming. This type of problem is, very funny problem. Is not like very deep and very uh, technically issue, but we have to understand what is the problem coming on this type of laptop. If you see here, is power on still, but there is no display. Okay, still the caps lock light is not coming on, because maybe the booting sequence is not working right now. See here, the charging light showing the battery is low, and if you see here, is also caps lock comes and go off start. If you see here, the caps lock is coming on off, start on and off. Okay, but no display, still is no display. Now I'm going to plug the charger also, and I plug the charger. If you see, there is charging light also is perfectly here, is charging. Caps lock also on off. I'm going to press F1, because sometime we stick. You see here, there is hard drive booting light also coming. The first light is hard drive light, it's also booting. Caps lock also coming on off. So in this case, we're going to do some testing, or in this type of problem, first we have to remove our main battery source, laptop main battery. Then we have to remove the CMOS cell, and then we're going to check again the display coming on not, because this type of problem is coming so much time, so much times is coming to me for the same problem to different laptops, and there I am always trying same thing and it's work. But if it is not work, then we have to check is screen, laptop screen. Then if it is laptop screen is okay, then we have to go and check that motherboard. So now I'm going to remove CMOS cell battery, and I already removed the battery. Now we have to connect that adapter, laptop adapter. We no need to press power on off switch, because we remove the CMOS cell, so if by self is come on, and do restart 2 or 3 times automatically. See here is off, now is coming automatically on. So, and the display is okay, you see here. So our problem is solved. That's it for this video. Keep repair. See you in next video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.